is our step-by-step guide on how to sign up for a contact lens subscription with iAcademy. First, open your web browser and go to shop.iacademy.com. Then, using the filter bar, toggle to Yes under subscription lenses. This will show you all of the lenses available on a handy subscription. Scroll down and select your lenses and chosen pack size. You will find the lens name on your contact lens prescription. Then, click on your chosen lens and select the Subscribe tab. Choose the number of boxes you would like delivered every 3 months for each eye. For example, if you wear a daily disposable contact lens every day, one box of 90 lenses per eye would be the most cost-effective subscription. Then click Continue. Now let us know how you are going to provide your prescription. If you already get your lenses from us, we will fill in your prescription for you. We just need your name and date of birth as well as the practice you visit. Alternatively, you can upload a photo of your prescription, email a copy to us later, or let us know which opticians you visit and we can confirm your prescription for you. Then click Add to Basket. Now is a good time to check your basket, and once happy, click Continue. Finally, enter your shipping and billing information, then review, and once happy, click the Place Order button to complete your subscription. And that's it. You have successfully signed up for a contact lens subscription with iAcademy.